Renty is making spaghetti with a Campellini pomodoro, a nice Mediterranean tomato sauce. Serenity is learning Mediterranean cooking from an online video course that she's taking. All right, so I'm just going to make a salad with some meat on it. You know what I forgot? I have a cup of boiled eggs in there. Would you get that for me and get my egg cutter? So on Tuesdays is our grocery shopping day, and I use that afternoon to spend washing and chopping salad greens and vegetables so that I have them handy. I do have some iceberg lettuce here because it's my favorite and I don't get tired of it. I usually buy Swiss chard, kale, spinach, romaine, and other greens. And I do have some of those in the refrigerator, but today I was really wanting the iceberg lettuce. I have some radishes that I've washed and chopped up. So let me go ahead and build my salad while I'm talking to you. A handful of iceberg. Put that on the side. Sprinkle of some chopped up radishes. Would you get me the tablespoon, please? This is my pickled okra, and I always take a jar and slice it up. And that way I can just rake out the pickled okra onto my salad. Oh, and there's a pickled garlic in there too. A thief! And I have these turnip sticks for snacking because we all love turnips. I'm probably not going to put any on my salad, but I will have one. These are very good for you, by the way. They have a B17, and that is supposedly a cancer preventative. Handy snacks, tasty, and good for you. Okay, what next? I have half a lime because I love the tanginess. Although when you're in induction, the first stage of the Atkins low carb, you really are supposed to limit your use of lime and lemon juice. But that is such a small amount, it's probably barely a teaspoon. I have here flax seeds that I have ground up in my coffee grinder. And one of the problems with Atkins early on in the induction phase, if you don't take care to eat plenty of fiber, is constipation. So a tablespoon of flaxseed on your salad once a day will do the trick. Okay, we buy a deli chicken and we shred it off the bone. And then we have a bag of shredded meat, which somebody got into and ate a lot of. I was one of those somebodies, but there were some other somebodies. So I sprinkle a little bit of the shredded chicken on top.
Is that all the chicken?
Not much. Yes. I know, we just bought the chicken yesterday and this is all that's left. That's what happens in a house of 7 people. Okay, I'll also boil eggs, peel them, and put them in a Tupperware container so that I can easily just have one as a snack or put them on my salad. I have this little veggie slicer. Put that on there, give it a slice, and now I have this beautiful sliced boiled egg to put on top of my salad for a little extra protein and nutrition. And that is all that I want other than a sprinkle of salt. You stole the salt. We use Celtic gray sea salt because of its high mineral content. And again, a choice that's good for you, something you use every day. And then a shake of pepper. And we make our own ranch, you know, with the buttermilk dip dressing, buttermilk and mayonnaise, and we keep it in a shakeable mayonnaise jar for ease of use. It's a lot less messy than pouring it out of a jar. So a little bit of that, and then our homemade Italian salad dressing. I shared this recipe back in one of my earlier videos. I'll post the link below. It was when I was doing a garden day and harvesting lettuce. So I believe Storm and Janie Bell that day made dressing. I love it. It's garlicky and vinegary and tangy. It's got extra virgin olive oil, raw garlic, and lots of herbs and spices. Another healthy choice. So there you have it. There's my lunch, which will be very filling and keep me going for quite a few hours until snack time at least. So my next video I will do, it will be on choosing low-carb snacks and beverages. So stay tuned for that next week. And one thing I want to show you before I go, I did lose 6 pounds in the last 3 weeks, which is fabulous, about 1.5 pounds or more a week. And I wanted to talk to you about the keto sticks, or this is called the Ketone Test Strips. And this is a very encouraging in the psychological warfare of weight loss. When you can go to the bathroom, pass one of these strips through your urine and see it turn color because your body is burning fat and producing ketones, it helps you know that you're on track. So just as a demo, not sure if you can see this, but there's the 2 strips, one that I have used and it turns purple, and one out of the box, which is plain. So very encouraging. These are not expensive. You can pick them up at CVS over the counter. So check them out if you haven't used them yet, because they do help you mentally when you're in this battle against fat. So thank you for watching, and it is lunchtime, so we're going to ring the dinner bell, and I'll see you next week.
Mentally? Mentally? Meant to add a T to that. Mentally.
Mental warfare.
It's 3 syllables, Mom.
Dinner time.